Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Volkswagen Jetta. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 149,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.